Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function hex. Hi Python enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the hex function, a built-in Python tool that converts numbers into hexadecimal representation. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it works, when to use it, and how it can simplify working with hex values. Let's jump in. What is hex? It's a built-in Python function that converts an integer into a hexadecimal string, prefixed with 0x. Here's the syntax. Here, x is the integer to be converted into hexadecimal. The result is a string representation of the number in base 16. So why use hex? It's essential for working with hexadecimal numbers, which are widely used in memory addressing in computer systems, RGB color codes in graphics, and cryptography and encoding. Here are a few key concepts. The hexadecimal system uses base 16, represented by digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. The output of hex always starts with 0x, denoting a hexadecimal value. You'd use hex when you're converting integers into hexadecimal format for readability or display. When you're handling data that requires hexadecimal representation like color codes or addresses, or when you're debugging or inspecting low-level data, such as memory or binary operations. Let's start with a simple example of converting an integer into hexadecimal. Here, hex 255 converts the decimal number 255 into the hexadecimal string 0xFF, where FF is the hex representation of the decimal number 255. Hex works with negative integers too, preserving the sign. In this case, the negative number, negative 42, is converted to the hexadecimal string negative 0x2a. Hexadecimal values are common in RGB color codes. Let's see how to generate them dynamically. Note, we define three variables, red, green, and blue, with various decimal numbers. Then we use hex to convert RGB values into a hexadecimal color code for hashtag FFA500, which represents orange and is easily used on things like web pages. You can combine hex with other conversions like converting binary numbers to hexadecimal. In this example, the binary number 101010 is first converted to an integer, then to the hexadecimal 0x2a. If you need the hexadecimal value without the 0x prefix, you can slice the string. Here, slicing removes the 0x prefix, leaving just the hexadecimal value FF. Here are some important points to remember about the hex function. It only works with integers. If you need to convert floats, consider alternative methods. The result is a string. You can't perform arithmetic directly with the output. Use slicing or string formatting to customize the output as needed. And that's the hex function. To recap, it converts integers into hexadecimal strings prefixed with 0x. It's perfect for working with RGB colors, memory addresses, or debugging low-level data. With its simplicity and power, hex is a must-know function for Python developers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!